are here at this time to celebrate the Independence Day. So let's start with the Sania Malik. So Sania Malik is going to present something for all of us. So Sania.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sania Malik, and today we are celebrating Independence Day. So it is Independence Day is on 15th August, and the theme of India's Independence Day 2021 at Red Fort is Nation First, Always First. The Prime Minister will be addressing the nation as it has been for years on 15th August 2021. There has been given a special invitation to all those Olympians who have won medals in the 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games, and they will be cordially invited to be with the Prime Minister. It is a big honor for for the whole country, because this is for a long time we have never received a gold medal in Olympics, and this time it has been achieved. And a little bit of history behind Independence Day is that the British rule began in 1757 by establishing the East India Company and winning the Battle of Plassey, and then it gained all the control over this country. We were almost under the rule for hundreds of years with the British. And then there was a pact signed with the British Prime Minister Clement Attlee on 20 February 1947, declaring the British rule in India would end by 30 June 1948, after which the power would be transferred to responsible Indian hands. Because of this pact, before signing this pact, there were millions of people who were not recognized for their sacrifices. We remember the freedom fighters, but there are many others who did so much, sacrifice their lives so that their future, the generation, should be born into a free country, and we should be very proud of it that our country. So many people sacrifice their lives, homes for us, and this is the day to be felt more proud. Every day we should feel proud, but this is the day we should feel more proud of us, of our country. And happy Independence Day to you all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Sania, for this wonderful knowledge of history you have present here. Nice presentation by you. Now, Aprajita, could you please put your words on the occasion of this Independence Day?
Sure, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Aprajita. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is a historic day in the history of our country. On this day, 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British. This day reminds us of our true worth and importance as a freedom-loving brave nation. The freedom that we are enjoying today is the result of decades-long struggles made by our forefathers and our great leaders. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Rajpat Rai, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Their sacrifice can never be forgotten. We are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Today we have the rights to choose our government. Since independence, our country has developed in many areas, but there is still a lot to be done and achieved. It is our duty to stand up to these expectations and fulfill the dreams of a developed and successful country with peace and harmony. Thank you. Jai Hind.
थैंक यू अपराजिता. सो अपराजिता ने एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही कि हम लोग बहुत आगे आ चुके हैं, लेकिन अभी हमें और भी बहुत आगे जाना है. नाउ Ria and Nancy are going to present a poem. So Nancy and Ria.
Yes, so can we start?
Yes, you can start.
So first of all, a very good afternoon to everyone and a happy Independence Day in advance to all of you. Okay, so आज मैं रिया चौहान और मेरी मित्र नैन्सी गर्ग हमारे देश के शहीद नौजवानों को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं. तो प्रस्तुत है ये कविता। अम्मा ने खत लिखा चाव से, पुत्र ना मेरा दूध ल जाना, 1 इंच पीछे मत हटना, चाहे इंच इंच कट जाना। घर परिवार कुशल है मुन्ने, गांव गली में मंगल है, दृश्य कारगिल की घटना से कदम कदम पर हलचल है। ज्वालामुखी दिलों में धड़के, आंखों में अंगारे हैं, और अर्थियों के पीछे भी जय भारत माँ के नारे हैं। यह केवल खत नहीं लाडले, घर भर का संदेश समझ, एक एक अक्षर के पीछे अपना पूरा देश समझ। ध्वल बर्फ की चादर पर तू लहू से जय हिंद लिख आना, 1 इंच पीछे मत हटना, चाहे इंच इंच कट जाना।
चुटकी ने राखी रख दी है इसने बड़े गुरूर से, और बहू ने वंदे मातरम लिखा है सिंदूर से। मेरे पोते ने चूमा है इसको बड़े दुलार से, इसलिए खत महक रहा है कस्तूरी महकार से। मेरी भूरी छाती में भी दूध उतर आया है बेटे, और घूंट की जगह उसी से खत चिपकाया है बेटे। तेरे बापू लिखवाते हैं गोली नहीं पीठ पर खाना, 1 इंच पीछे मत हटना, चाहे इंच इंच कट जाना। वीर शहीदों की विधवाएं धन्य कर रही धरती को, खुद कंधों पर लेकर चलती है वो पत्नियों की अर्थी को। और इधर संसार चकित है लाख अद्भुत पिताओं को, आग लगाने से पहले जो करते हैं पिताओं को। मेरा भी माथा ऊंचा हो ऐसा कर्तव्य करके आना, 1 इंच पीछे मत हटना, चाहे इंच इंच कट जाना।
अब बेटे का पत्र माँ को। माँ तुम्हारा लाडला रण में अभी घायल हुआ है, देख उसकी सूरत खुद शत्रु भी कायल हुआ है। रक्त की होली रचाकर मैं प्रियंकर दिख रहा हूँ, माँ उसी शोणित से तुमको पत्र अंतिम लिख रहा हूँ। युद्ध भीषण था मगर ना इंच भी पीछे हटा हूँ, माँ तुम्हारी थी शपथ मैं आज इंचों में कटा हूँ। एक गोली वक्ष पे कुछ देर पहले ही लगी है, माँ कसम थी जो तुमने आज मैंने पूर्ण की है। छा रहा है सामने लो आंख के आगे अंधेरा, दिख रहा है इसमें मुझको आज ये नूतन सवेरा। कह रहे हैं शत्रु भी किस तरह शैदा हुआ हूँ, लग रहा है सींगनी की कोख से पैदा हुआ हूँ। ये न सोचो माँ कि मैं चिर नींद लेने जा रहा हूँ, माँ तुम्हारी कोख से फिर जन्म लेने आ रहा हूँ।
अब बेटे का पत्र पिता को। पिताजी, मैं तुम्हें बचपन में पहले ही बहुत दुख दे चुका हूँ, और कांधों पे खड़ा हो आसमां सर ले चुका हूँ। तुम सदा कहते थे ये ऋण तुझे भरना पड़ेगा, एक दिन कांधे पे लेके मुझे चलना पड़ेगा। पर पिता मैं भार अपना तनिक हल्का कर न पाया, तुम मुझे करना क्षमा मैं पितृ ऋण को भर न पाया। हूँ बहुत मजबूर ये ऋण ले मुझे मरना पड़ेगा, और अंत में भी आपके कांधे मुझे चढ़ना पड़ेगा।
अब भाई का पत्र भाई को। तुम अनुज रणवीर गोली भा से जब आ समाई, और मेरी बाय बुझा उस वक्त तेरी याद आई। मैं तुम्हें बाहों में ले आकाश दे सकता नहीं हूँ, लौट कर भी आऊंगा विश्वास दे सकता नहीं हूँ। पर अनुज विश्वास रखना मैं नहीं थक कर पड़ूंगा, तुम भरोसा पूर्ण रखना श्वास अंतिम तक लड़ूंगा। अब तुम्ही को सौंपता हूँ बस बहन का ध्यान रखना, जब पड़े उसको जरूरत वक्त पर सम्मान करना। तुम उसे कहना रक्षा पर्व जब भी आएगा, भाई अंबर में नजर आशीष देता पाएगा।
अब पति का पत्र पत्नी को। तुमसे प्रिय मैं आज भी कुछ मांगता हूँ, है कठिन देना मगर निष्ठुर हृदय हो मांगता हूँ। तुम अमर सौभाग्य की बिंदिया सदा माथे सजाना, हाथ में चूड़ी पहन पाँव में मेहंदी लगाना। भर उठे दुख से हृदय पर आंख को रोने न देना। जानता हूँ बालकों के प्रश्न कुछ सुलझे न होंगे, सैकड़ों भी प्रश्न होंगे जिनमें वे उलझे तो होंगे। पूछते होंगे कि पापा है कहाँ कब आएंगे, और हम सब साथ में घूमने कब जाएंगे। तुम उन्हें कहना जिद पर अड़ जाते नहीं हैं, जो ज्यादा जिद करते हैं बच्चे उनके पापा घर आते नहीं हैं।
तप्त पद की यात्रा से तुम मेरी अर्धांगिनी हो, 7 जन्मों तक सजे जो तुम अमर वो रागनी हो, इसलिए अधिकार तुम्हारा बिन बताए ले रहा हूँ, मांग का सिंदूर तेरा मातृभू को दे रहा हूँ, मांग का सिंदूर तेरा मातृभू को दे रहा हूँ। जय हिंद।
जय भारत।
जय हिंद। बहुत अच्छी प्रस्तुति रिया और नैन्सी।
थैंक यू सो मच।
What a wonderful poem you all both have prepared. Thank you very much for presenting it here. What a wonderful inspirational poem. Now I am inviting Simran. You are also going to present something or audience?
Sir, I'm audience.
Okay.
I'm now going to present.
Okay. So JS. After JS,
Yes, sir.
you are also going to present something on Bhagat Singh, right?
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Myself, Jay Sharma, and I want to share a few lines about one of the most legend freedom fighter, Mr. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907 in Punjab, India to a Sikh family. He came from a family of freedom fighters. His father, Sardar Kishan Singh, and uncle, Sardar Ajit Singh, were a part of the independence movement. Bhagat Singh quit school at the age of 13 to join and devote his life to the independence movement. He founded the Navjavan Bharat Sabha in the year 1926. He was a part of the Hindustan Republican Association and later on renamed the association as the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. He wrote articles for the Kirti Kisan Party's magazine occasionally. He was charged for killing a British police officer, John Sounder, and was arrested on December 17 in 1927. He went by the slogan Inqilab Zindabad. He was a great inspiration and his courage and ideologies aided India to gain independence on 15th August 1947. He was executed on March 23, 1931 along with his comrades Rajguru and Sukhdev. Thank you to all and a very happy Independence Day.
Okay, thank you, JS. Now I am inviting Pranjali. तो JS shared a very अच्छी information आपने share की. Okay, now Pranjali is going to present a poem in front of all of us. Now Pranjali.
Good afternoon to everyone present over here. First of all, a very happy Independence Day in advance to everyone. This day is very monumental and crucial in the history of our country, as everyone here knows. And if humanity is our first religion, then our nationality is our first identity. Whatever religious, regional, social, or political prejudices we might have, they do not overpower our identity as Indians. No nation can be strong if its citizens do not take pride in their identity. And Indians are natural at nationalism, as we have a rich multicultural heritage to be proud of. To celebrate the spirit of patriotism and nationalism, here is a poem that emphasizes the need of all Indians to rise above religion, region, social indifference, and political aspirations. So the poem is named We Are All Indians First. History is our witness and martyrs are the God. We are disciples of gurus and this land is saints' abode. Compassion is our heritage. In humanity do we trust. Neither Hindu nor Muslim, we are Indians first. Diversity is our culture and unity is our strength. We strive for peace of world but are cautious of defense. Challenger of our sovereignty for sure will bite the dust. Neither Kannada nor Odia, we are all Indians first. Perseverance is our ethos and diligence is our means. We pledge to usher in dawn our ancestors saw in their dreams. We ain't shy of hard work, for us rest is rust. Neither Tamil nor Sindhi, we are Indians first. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranjali. Thank you for this wonderful poem. Now, yes, Chinmay.
Like I have made a representation, sir.
Okay, you can carry on. Chinmay, yes. You please present your screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Chinmay is going to present something. Okay,
Well,
Chinmay.
like yes, this is just a small presentation, sir. Like first also, happy Independence Day, sir,
Okay, same to you.
to all the students present here. So, like, so I have created a 9 slide presentation about Independence Day and the freedom fighters. So, sir, first of all, I will speak about the history. So, sir, the Independence Day was celebrated by the people of all religions, culture, and traditions with great joy and happiness. Independence Day in India is observed on 15th of August every year from 1947 as our country became independent on the same day from the power of British rule almost after 200 years of slavery. So these were some of the acts that happened. So like this is Jallianwala Bagh, so this is and the march, and then so this is the partition, I think. And then so every year celebration is organized by the government of India on Rajpath, India Gate in the national capital New Delhi, where people of all religions and traditions gather to listen to the patriotic speech of our Prime Minister. By celebrating this event, we commemorate those all great people who have sacrificed their life and loved ones in making India an independent country. And so these were some of the freedom fighters so that were known to us. So, so like Bhagat Singh sir, Ram sir, Rajguru, Vinayak, Vinayak Damodar, Savarkar. And then so some of the freedom fighters about which I have written. So one of them is Mahatma Gandhi. So he was born on 2nd October 1969. He became the most respected spiritual political leader in 1990s, and he helped free the Indians from the British. So by the act of non-violence. And then Subhash Chandra Bose, like he was the one who created the Indian National Army. So, he was killed or he was like murdered. Like no one knows because there are many theories around it. So if he was not there, India would have struggled like for a long time, even now to get its freedom. Then so Bhagat Singh, sir, like he was a freedom fighter that was hanged due to wrong allegations by the British government with his friends like Rajguru and Sukhdev. And so this was Chandra Chatterjee, sir. He was the person who wrote Vande Mataram, and he was the person who inspired many saints and monks like to blow the that's it. So like this is the presentation that I made.
Okay, thank you, Chinmay. Thank you for this wonderful information you have shared. You have done a lot of work to collect this information, and we have learned so many things. So, thank you all for joining. So, wonderful session. You all have give your precious time here to present and to pass these wonderful poems and informations you have passed. So, thank you all for joining, for your time. So, that's all. Happy Independence Day to you all.
Happy Independence Day, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Happy Independence Day to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Thanks.